AI agents are acting in real system now, not just chatting. Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, browser agents, booking agents. When they fail, it's usually boring stuff. Timeouts, wrong assumptions, half-finished work. The problem isn't malice, it's memory. Most systems forget what just happened. Let me show you a small, very practical experiment. The question here is simple. What changes if a directory remembers just a little? Here's a small directory snapshot. Same agents, same metadata, same capabilities. I'm running a reference ordering on top of it. This is not enforcement, it's not access control, it's just preference. What the directory would pick when everything else looks equal. Right now, everything here is static. Now I change one thing. One agent degrades operationally. It doesn't disappear, nothing gets revoked, it's just behaving poorly. I rerun the exact same ordering, same directory, same logic. The preference shifts. Nothing dramatic happened, no thresholds, no gates. The directory just remembers. That's all I wanted to show here. There is an assumption baked into that demo. It assumes the directory already knows an agent degraded. In the real world, that's usually not true. Failures happen somewhere else. In a different system, at a different time. That's where service records come in. This next demo is intentionally boring. The agent runs 3 times. First run. No history, no prior observations. The agent is allowed to act. It times out. The failure gets written down. Second run. Same agent, same code, but now there is history. The system sees the service record. The agent is blocked. Human approval required. Nothing else changed. Third run. A human approves the action. The task completes, and the service record updates again. Now I connect the 2 demos. We go back to the same directory as before, same data, same ordering logic. The only new input is the service record we just created. This is just the baseline again. Now I run the directory again with that service record applied. I'm not changing the directory. I'm not rerunning scoring. I'm adding one external fact. This agent needed escalation last time. Here's the result. Gamma is still here, it's still ranked, but it's no longer in the recommended top 5. Another agent takes its place. No re-ranking, no schema changes, but a policy applied to history. This is the difference between preference and enforcement. That service record is just an artifact. It can travel. Now the directory doesn't have to guess. It applies one simple rule. If an agent needed escalations, don't recommend it for autonomous use. What you just saw is straightforward. Same agents, same logic, different outcome, because history showed up. This isn't trust, it's enforcement driven by memory. Same agents, same logic, different outcome. You don't rely on trust, you rely on service records.